Using prepositions correctly can be tricky because prepositions are small words but they carry important meaning in a sentence. They show relationships between nouns or pronouns and other words in a sentence, indicating direction, time, place, cause, manner, and more. Let's break this down in details. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word that links a noun or pronoun to another part of the sentence. It tells where, when, how, or why something happens. For example, the book is on the table. On is a preposition about place. I will meet you at 5 p.m. At is for time. She is afraid of spiders. Of is a cause or reason. Common type of prepositions are firstly prepositions of place and position. These indicate where something is located. On, the cup is on the table. In, she is in the room. At, we are at the bus stop. Under, the cat is under the bed. Between, the shop is between the bank and the post office. Behind, he is standing behind the car. Tip is in is used for enclosed spaces, on for surfaces, at for specific points. Second is prepositions of time. These indicate when something happens. At, I wake up at 6 a.m. specific time. On, my birthday is on Monday, day or date. In, he was born in 1995, in July, in the morning. So it shows month, year and period. Since, I have been working here since 2010. For, I have been waiting for 2 hours. By, please finish this by Friday. Since is used for the starting point of time. For is used for duration. Third one is prepositions of direction or movement. These show movement from one place to another. To, I am going to the market. Into, she jumped into the pool. On to, he climbed onto the roof. From, we came from India. Toward, he is walking towards the park. Fourth is prepositions of cause, reason, or purpose. These explain why something happens. Because of. The game was cancelled because of rain. Due to. His success is due to hard work. For. I am thankful for your help. Prepositions of agent, instrument. These tell who did something or how it is done. By. The book was written by J.K. Rowling. With. He cut the paper with scissors. Rules to use prepositions correctly. First is prepositions are always followed by a noun or pronoun. Correct form is I am interested in music. Incorrect is I am interested in. Do not end formal sentences with the prepositions in writing. Formal is this is the house in which I live. Informal, this is the house I live in. Some verbs require specific prepositions. Good at, she is good at painting. Interested in, he is interested in history. Depend on, we depend on each other. Some nouns, adjectives require specific prepositions. Afraid of, she is afraid of spiders. Famous for, Paris is famous for its museums. Responsible for, he is responsible for the project. Avoid double prepositions. Wrong sentence, he went to into the room. Correct is he went into the room. Common mistakes, using in instead of at. Wrong sentence, she is good in math. Correct is she is good at math. Using on instead of in. Wrong sentence, I live on India. Correct, I live in India. Confusing for and since. Wrong sentence, I have been here since 2 hours. Correct, I have been here for 2 hours. Tips to master prepositions. Learn prepositions with verbs, adjectives and nouns. Collocations. For example, good at, interested in, afraid of. Practice prepositions in context, not in isolation. Write sentences using daily activities. Read and listen to English regularly. Native use will help you feel the correct preposition naturally. Use visualizations for place and time prepositions. Imagine the object's position on, in, under, between. I hope this video will be beneficial to you. If yes, then subscribe to this YouTube channel.